the low once again, and in this one you're looking at your USD. So starting off on a weekly, this is what happened. Broke below that low, made an adjustment inside this fair value gap on a weekly, rejected off of it, and we got a nice candle to closure, which also made this one an order block. And you can see that recently we trusted inside this other block and got a nice rejection. So on a daily, you can see also broke below this low. And today is the same day that we made this adjustment and dropping down to a 4-hour. You can see that we are bearish. Making lower lows and lower highs. Then we trusted back inside this other block. Got a nice rejection. And on an hourly, we left a high before retracing back into that other block and made a structure shift by breaking below this low and a nice retracement. And this one also was an SMT with GBP USD. But for me, I don't trade on Mondays, so I missed out on this one. But it was a nice trade. And we are yet to take out this low, these equal lows. Those are my targets. So what I'm expecting is a retracement inside this fair value gap. Take out these equal lows. Or an instant run. Taking out those equal lows. So on a daily on EURD, this is my new target. I'm expecting lower prices to take out this low.